So we all have a LinkedIn profile if we're looking for a job, hopefully. If you don't have one yet, make one. And if you need some tips, let me know. So some general tips, because this video is actually going to focus on 3 specific little bonus tricks, little tips that you can use to stand out from the competition on LinkedIn that you might not know about. Hello everyone, my name's Dr. Benjamin Ritter, if you don't already know. I'm a leadership and career coach guiding others to create a career that they can love. I mainly work with senior managers, directors, VPs, and executives that feel stuck in their careers. They have achieved success but don't feel successful. They have the title leader but don't feel like they deserve it. And we work together to create greater clarity, confidence, and control over where they're at and to navigate their career so that eventually, and hopefully immediately, they can fall more in love with it. And in this video, I want to talk about some LinkedIn tips, and more so like some of the unique LinkedIn tips. I work a lot on people on adjusting their resumes or cover letters and their LinkedIn profiles, and these are some things that can really help you stand out. So first off, let's actually create a really awesome header image on your profile. Can't tell you how many executives I've worked with and senior leaders that don't even have an image. This is the first thing that stands out on your profile, even more so than your profile picture. So use something like Canva if you're not very good at graphic design and you can't find a great image, and make something that highlights what your brand is. What do you stand for? What position do you want next? What do you truly care about? And how can you make that really pop in that header image? Now, the second thing I would recommend is to adjust your LinkedIn profile link. Now, so many times I've worked with individuals and it's like Benjamin Ritter 0157920-2057. Okay, that's a mouthful. It looks just ugly on your resume, so you'd have to just hyperlink LinkedIn. But also, this is an opportunity for you to keyword load your profile link. So if you do Chicago leadership coach or leadership coach or whatever position you want next in your LinkedIn profile, that becomes searchable by recruiters. So make sure you are adjusting that profile link to at least just be normal and like easily read, but also to include your interests, especially the job that you want next. So the third tip I'd highly recommend is to use the featured section in your LinkedIn profile and actually make a LinkedIn introductory video with your little elevator pitch. Hi, I'm Dr. Benjamin Ritter. I have 10 years of experience in entrepreneurship, specifically executive and leadership coaching, and I have a background in healthcare. Whatever you want to say, you want to highlight your main bits that you have the greatest experience in and what you're truly passionate about. So what is that first line where you have most of your experience, as well as include the job position, the job title that you want, or the industry in case you want to use this video for longer term. What's even a sample project? You can say, one of my major projects this past year was that I influenced operational efficiencies by 30% by doing X, Y, Z. Can you throw that in there? And then at the bottom, highlight some of your passions. And I'm truly passionate about guiding others towards a career that they can love. This is big. This can get people to know you in an instant, to understand your brand. Please invest a little bit of time doing these things. It can make a huge difference in your search. Okay, so just to review, we got header image, we got your LinkedIn profile, the link itself, and an introductory LinkedIn video. If you do any of these things, let me know. Send me a note or comment in the video. And most importantly, everyone, let's not forget the purpose of all this content and everything that I do. Keep on living for yourself.